Hello, my name is Daniel Peake. I work as an instructional designer for the Center for Learning and Program Excellence. I've been asked to show you a short presentation about a project that we're currently working on for the Stevenson campus. A few months ago, our team was approached to assist with a new aircraft maintenance engineer course called Modular Structures. It should be noted that this course is being developed with Transport Canada regulations in mind and also the industry in mind as well. So some of the content for this currently exists, and some of it was actually taken from other AME courses, Aircraft Maintenance Engineer courses. The basic vision is to have a synchronous online component with practical components being synchronous and in person. In other words, they would do a portion of the course online by themselves, and then they would come to the hangar and actually work on a plane. At this point, the learning objectives and course descriptions have yet to receive SAC approval, Senior Academic Committee approval. Our challenge was to take the lesson plans, PowerPoints and assessments and other content and to transform them into an online asynchronous environment on Learn. After nearly 6 months of doing this, we want to show you some of the tools we used and the lessons we've learned. Firstly, we had many PowerPoints. They were good, but they had a variety of formats and styles and could not be simply uploaded onto Learn. Not very engaging. We used a tool called Image Extract to, you guessed it, extract the images and text from the PowerPoint slides. In collaboration with the subject matter experts, we uploaded the raw text to Office 365, which became our mock-up or prototype document in which we plotted where the learning activities would go and videos, etc. We also made use of the Office 365 editor tools. Especially helpful was the rewrite suggestions and similarity checker to source wherever content had been copied from. During the development stage or mock-up stage, we created several learning activities, more than several actually, in H5P. These included interactive videos, drag and drop, image hotspots, and activity booklets. We also started saving the sources of information on RefWorks. This is a college-approved, shareable, web-based application, and in my opinion will make future course development easier. We had bi-weekly meetings and we were in regular contact with the subject matter expert via the comment feature on the Office 365 mock-up document.
We experimented with a speech-to-text software called Balabolka. We used it in some of the learning activities and Premiere Pro videos. As one can hear, IBM Kevin's voice sounds quite realistic.
Once we had approval from the subject matter expert, we then started planning our build on Learn. Before copying over any content, we wanted to make sure we were copying over clean code. Therefore, we used a HTML cleaner. When we started building on Learn, we used the Flexible Online Delivery Model template. Copying the content from the mock-up or the prototype over to Learn was a quick process because we had support from the administrative assistant. We had support from a variety of people such as my supervisor, an admin and financial assistant, educational technologist, and learning technology consultant. And you guys know who you are, but what a splendid example of collaboration. On the screen I'm showing right now are some tools we used while building Learn. I want to point out the accordion, which was kindly developed for us in-house by our excellent learning technology consultant. It should be noted that this is the first iteration of the course. Here's an example of a page that is in this stage at the moment. This comes to the end of our short presentation. I'm now going to let Kevin do the wrap-up.
We think we have laid a good foundation for this course. It will be the first of its type for aircraft maintenance engineers in Canada. I am sure you may have some questions about the tools we use during this project. So feel free to email us. Have a wonderful day.